Okay, welcome back everybody to the Dream Whisper of Jesus. We've got a Cunninghams skink here thinking about eating some more banana. So they're quite an amazing skink. All the lizards, I guess, that live in Canberra are really amazing because it's just so cold here. In the winter it's amazing that any reptiles will survive the Canberra winter, but it gets down to -4 degrees at night quite often in the Canberra winter, but you've got all the lizards and reptiles hibernating. These Cunninghams skinks just hide in the cracks in the rocks all the way through winter. Somehow they're tough enough that they can do it, and then in the spring and summer they come out like this and you can give them banana and veggies. They're quite an interesting lizard to watch. So yeah, thanks everyone for watching. Quite an interesting lizard. They actually live in big social groups. I'll maybe make more videos from this little secret spot I've got in Canberra in the future, but there's probably 10 lizards living in the rocks here, and there's this guy's sort of a medium to adult sized one, but there's one or two that are really big, quite large size, sort of 30 to 40 centimeters. This guy's about 20 to 30 centimeters, this one.